how to set magnification type to allow switching between partial screen and full screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on accessibility. From here, tap on vision enhancements. Then we scroll down and tap on magnification. Next, tap on magnification type. In here, make sure you select allow switching between partial screen and full screen. And then tap on the back key, then tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Now, if I triple tap on the screen to turn it on, I can move it around. This is a partial screen right here. So tapping on that will allow me to switch between partial screen and full screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.